Welcome to Avsar, your ultimate cashback companion. Today, we are excited to introduce you to an amazing offer, the Axis Bank Credit Card. Axis Bank is one of India's top private sector banks, and it offers a range of financial products and services that can make managing your finances a breeze. Now, let's dive into the details of the Axis Bank Credit Card offer and the rewards you can earn. When you apply for an Axis Bank credit card through Avsar, you'll be rewarded once the card is successfully delivered to the user. You can check the profit rates section for specific rewards on different cards dispatched. Please note, the reward amount can change, so open the app and check the current reward for today. One of the great things about the Axis Bank credit card is the array of benefits it offers. For starters, you can enjoy welcome benefits like big basket offers, discounts on Swiggy, buy one get one offers on Book My Show, and airport lounge access. But it doesn't stop there. The card also offers annual benefits and milestone benefits, which means you keep getting rewards as you continue using it. Plus, you earn rewards on every transaction, enjoy dining delights, and get a fuel surcharge waiver, making it a perfect companion for your daily needs. Before you apply, it's important to be aware of the fees and charges. The annual fee is 3,000 rupees, but if you opt for the Burgundy card, this fee is waived. To apply for the Axis Bank credit card, you'll need to have a few documents ready. These include a photocopy of your PAN card or Form 60, proof of income such as your latest payslip, Form 16, or IT return, and residence proof like a driving license, electricity bill, or landline telephone bill. Let's take a moment to learn more about Axis Bank. Axis Bank Limited is an Indian banking and financial services company. It is India's third largest private sector bank by assets and the fourth largest by market capitalization. The bank provides financial services to large and mid-sized companies, SMEs, and retail businesses. This offer is perfect for salaried individuals with a minimum salary of 15,000 rupees and above, as well as self-employed individuals with a latest ITR of 4 lakh rupees or more. There are a few terms and conditions you should be aware of. This offer is available for new credit card users only. Users must click on your link to apply. If the user cancels the credit card application or is not eligible, you will not be eligible for the payout. Now, let's walk through the steps to avail the Axis Bank credit card offer on the Avsar app. First, open the Avsar app on your device. Next, go to the search bar at the top and type Axis Bank credit card. Tap on the Axis Bank credit card offer to open it. Then, click on the Share button. You'll see two options, Image plus text or text only. Choose the option you prefer. After selecting your preferred option, click Share. You can now share the offer link on all social media apps and other sharing apps available on your device with interested users. Once you've shared the link with interested users, they'll need to click on it, fill in their details, and apply for the credit card. You will be paid when your customer has filled in valid details and the credit card has been successfully delivered to them. Now, go back to the Avsar app. Check the My Activity section to find your shares, clicks, and transactions. You can also check your Avsar points and balance once you have completed the registration process. Experience the future of cashback and rewards with Avsar. Download now and start earning with the Axis Bank credit card offer.